When you think of healthcare, there can be many different stages of treatment. Seeing a doctor, picking up a prescription, and a possible follow-up appointment with another type of medical professional. That could be the system of the past soon. The University of St. Joseph is getting some federal dollars that will go to a new program with an emphasis on collaborative learning. The $900,000 Connecticut Horizons grant will bring students from multiple disciplines together, including nurses, pharmacists, social workers, and the list goes on. The idea is to move away from fragmented care, with the patient needing to meet with several professionals, and teach the next generation of medical workers how to collaborate with each other as a team.
When you're in the hospital today, you're not being taken care of by one professional, right? You've got a team, and part of education for healthcare professionals has to be teamwork.
This will give the University of St. Joseph an opportunity to really ground it in the curriculum and provide it to most of the students in these programs.
The program is for both undergrad and graduate students.